So we're excited here at Breakthrough to offer again LGBTQIA specific week at Caron. LGBTQIA plus folk run into a lot of issues that they hold in common. Increased amount of shame, higher levels of addiction, difficulty forming long-lasting relationships, and a lot of self-loathing. And we're able to look at those issues and many more with a group that identifies within the continuum. We've been doing this for 3 years with really good results, and we're excited to be able to offer that as a regular service here at Breakthrough. So one of the great things about the LGBTQIA plus week is that people really get to explore the parts of themselves that are different identities, different structures that may not be the norm, and they may not be able to speak about outside of safe structures that we can provide here at Breakthrough for our LGBTQIA folk. If you're interested in that week, please reach out to our Breakthrough Admissions Department. All of our folk are going to be down at South Mountain Inn, which is a local bed and breakfast, super nice. And so we hope to create a safe environment for people to explore whatever issues that they may have, whether that's family of origin, current relationships, or maybe just some internal stuckness around issues